In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy Diablo 4 on the Steam Deck. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, it was announced that Diablo 4 is gonna be releasing on the Steam store. So all that you have to do if you want to play Diablo 4 directly on your Steam Deck is to purchase the game from the Steam store when it becomes available. As you can see on the time that I'm recording this video, it is going to be available in approximately 11 days, which means that it's going to be released on the Steam store on the 17th of October. So like I said, all that you have to do if you want to buy Diablo 4 on the Steam Deck is to purchase the game directly through the Steam store. You have all the requirements over here if you want to compare, but the Steam Deck is going to be capable of running it. You have plenty of options to buy from. You have the Ultimate Edition, Digital Deluxe, and the base game. As long as you select any of these options, you will be able to run it directly through your Steam Deck. So as of now, go to the Steam page for Diablo 4. You can find it under the RPG games category and add the game to your wish list. You will get a notification when it releases, and you can purchase and play directly from the deck. You have all the information regarding the game here, and it should appear directly on your Steam Deck's library. So after you are done purchasing the game through its store page, download it from your Steam Deck and start playing right away. If you encounter any issues while trying to do this, double check the compatibility, but you should be good to go as long as you have enough storage remaining on your Steam Deck and you buy the game through Steam. You can also check the Steam Deck compatibility page. In here, they list plenty of games that have a great experience on the Steam Deck. For the most part, you can play whatever you want. Some games will be unoptimized, but if Diablo 4 gets additional support for the Steam Deck, it is going to appear on this page, so you will be able to completely play it and have a wonderful experience. But even if it doesn't fall under the great experience on the Steam Deck, it will still be playable and allow you to customize the game to your liking. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy Diablo 4 on the Steam Deck. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.